How to update Yoshion app to the latest version. So you want to make sure you are running the newest, shiniest version of the Yoshion app. It's a great idea. Keeping your app updated means you get the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. Let's walk through how you can do it. First thing first, you'll need to know if you are using Android or iPhone device. Here I'm using the Android, so this video will be helpful for those Android users. In the Android, what you have to do in order to update the Yoshion app is simply tap on this Play Store right over here. This is the one. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Once you're inside it, you will be seeing this type of interface. Now tap on your profile picture or the initial at the top right corner. It's right over here. After you tap on, it will open up a list there. Now tap on the option called Manage Apps or the device. And now we'll see a section that says Update Available. Simply tap on it. Search to the list here. If Yoshion is right over here, it means your Yoshion app needs the update. If not, you are using the latest version of Yoshion app. You can see I don't have it right over here. That means I'm using the latest version of Yoshion. If it's not, as I said earlier, you will be seeing it right over here. What you have to do in order to update is simply tap on this update just beside the app and you'll be done. And there you have it. Your Yoshion app should now be up to date. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Let me know in the comments below. That's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.